In this video, I'm going to show you how to view sensitive content on Twitter. So open up Twitter on your phone, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, tap on settings and privacy, tap on privacy and safety, then tap on content you see. So in here you can see display media that may contain sensitive content. All you have to do is switch that on if it's not already switched on. Blue indicator here on my phone shows that it is switched on. You can go a little further and tap on search settings, and you can see here hide sensitive content. As you can see, it is grayed out, so it is switched off on my phone, so do the same if yours is switched on. And that's basically all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.